Hello everyone, this is Donner and Blitzen's puppies. They're 6 weeks old now. This is going to be our 6-week update. As you can see, they're full of life and super active. They had their first shots this week, and they're really rambunctious right now, but they're just very active. Everybody's changing daily. Come here, babies. But they're having a good time. Purple collar. Both the blues are girls. Come here, babies. This is the green collar. I'll try to show you. They're pretty excited. They're happy to be out here running in the grass for their afternoon playtime. But that's the green. That's the male. That's the big green boy. That's the green. That's the big, beautiful silver green collar. That's our only boy in this group. Got Miss Purple down here rolling around. Come here, baby. Come here, sweetheart. You're feisty. You're having a good time. Sorry, they're just really excited to be out and running in the grass and playing. Miss Purple's not going to hold still for a minute. We got to let her run for just a few seconds. Play around. Getting feisty. This is the white collar. I see you, silver boy. That's the white collar. White collar, blue female. Yes, ma'am. She's just ready to go play. We always bring them out, play in the yard, and they're super excited today. It's been a beautiful day here. But that's the white collar, blue female. Out of the two, she is a little more reserved, but still she's starting to show her personality. But she's a little more reserved. But all these have great outgoing personalities. We can try to get the silver girl here. Hey, baby. I'll hold you still for a second. That's our silver female, the blue collar. She's a sweetheart. All super active, love playtime. Beautiful silver female there from Miss Blitzen. They're just having a good time. Just a good time. But these guys will be ready here in about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Everyone's starting to schedule their pickups, but they're doing fantastic. We may switch here. They're all trying to attack my wife's legs and play around. Just so playful. Now they're all going to switch to me. But that's the white collar. You can see them all there.